And you liked planes before, is that what you were saying?
Because I have my own YouTube channel, 3,000 followers by the way.
What's your YouTube channel?
Plane Spotlight Live.
Do you have like a favourite plane? EasyJet. I was expecting model. But he went in with EasyJet, I love that. Have you took over a plane yet?
No, I am next week.
Oh, are you? Wait there. Is it EasyJet? No! Ryanair, oh, you what? Everyone booing like we're in fucking pantomime. I love how everyone's invested now in this fucking plane.
The runways at the bottom of my garden.
Is it not loud?
Used to the sound.
Yeah. Do you have sex to the noise? Oh, you died! Do you call it Willie the Easy Jam? Do you go, oh, we're coming? Wrong way!